Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome to another edition of I'm Just Saying Do-It-Yourself Home Projects, except this time we are not actually doing a project. My wife and I are outside just enjoying the day, what's left of it. It was a really hot day today. My inside of my car, on my thermostat, read 110 degrees. So we were out just enjoying ourselves. No work. And then here's my robot, the A-Pair. What is it? I forgot what the the A-Pair Seagull Pro. I just picked that up a couple days ago. I'm gonna do a full review of that. But it's a robotic pool cleaner that's ran off of its own power supply, battery supply, and I'm gonna do a full review. So stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to wish everybody a happy Saturday, a beautiful day out. Don't stay too much in the sun. Hydrate yourself and be safe. I'm just saying, peace.